or is I'm a fool for your life?
Hey guys, it's DriftTheNorth here.
What's going on, guys? It's been a while. We're back with some more footage for you guys.
We got an unboxing. We actually got our t-shirts made finally. Woo!
A little quick sneak peeker.
We also got a surprise for you guys. We got 2 new members to our crew. We're excited to introduce them. They're good guys.
These are pretty cool dudes.
We're so excited for this. Alright, they're going to come in. They're going to introduce themselves. We're going to have some fun tonight, alright? Hey guys, we're back again. We got our 2 new members in front of us. They're going to introduce themselves.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Wu-Tang Films. I'm part of DriftTheNorth, and I'm here with Giggle Films.
What's up? I'm Giggle Films, the main filmer from DriftTheNorth.
I'm driving the 2001 Nissan Sentra GXE, we're gonna strap a whole bunch of cameras to it and record Nissan Newman and Brown Jesus doing exactly what they love: drifting.
Our good boy Giggles here doesn't have his license yet. So it's soon coming. Working on it. Soon coming, right?
Beamer Boy is going to start up the Beamer the first time since it's been sitting here all winter. It's going to be interesting. Oh!
Oh my God!
Like
Started up first try. Sounds beautiful. Woo. Take a quick look at these rims. They've also just been cleaned. It's got the lights in here. Cool shift knob, it lights up. We have to do it again just because it sounds so beautiful. Look at our 2 filmers. This is the first time they've actually heard this car run. So shocked. DriftTheNorth here. I got my final package for the 240 SX S13 Sylvia.
This is what we've been waiting for.
Oh,
Finally.
we waited what, 2 months for this? A month
just
for
about
this?
2 months.
Oh man, it
just
took
to start
forever.
the build.
So guys, this is from FRS Sports. They did a fantastic job on this. They brought it in, it was great, it looks great. So we're gonna show it to you right now.
What's the last thing they saw in the 240? Was it the breakdown of us ripping up the interior and stuff
It
like
was.
that? Yeah.
So you guys will see that being built again, maybe next month, probably.
We're hoping to turn it soon. But here we go.
Okay, so this is the gasket set here, guys. We got our valve seals, we got everything here. We got our fluid gasket.
And look at how nice this head gasket is, boys. Look at that. Look at it.
So boys, as a gift, they sent me a high performance gasket. It's for the intake. It's the intake gasket. Looking very great. So we got a couple other gaskets here. We got our head gasket at the bottom. It's taped to the bottom here. Our head gasket. Looks mint.
I think that FR Sports is a great company.
So FR Sports did send this to me. They gave me a fantastic deal on it. It's great. We got our turbo gaskets. We got everything here that we need. I'm excited, super excited to finally get the car going again.
Hopefully you'll see some more footage of us doing some 240 stuff in a few weeks here. Just give us some time. We're getting some more parts in. And we'll also be working on the Beamer very soon as well, so stay tuned for that, because we gotta do some diff welding and we gotta fix my e-brake.
Yeah, we got the diff welding. We'll be going. We haven't figured out right away. If you guys want to put a comment below of a place you probably think is really good.
Anywhere local in Scarborough for a good price, hit me up. I'll put my Instagram in the bio, so you guys can personally message me if you need to.
We'd be super excited too, because we also need a lot of work done. We need some good shops that you guys would maybe think of that you would know. That'd be fantastic. We did have a little preview earlier of the t-shirt. So right now, me and Beamer Boy here are gonna show you guys what we have done so far. This is just a promo of the t-shirt.
Create it.
Hold on,
Create it.
Shout out to Tony Prince for doing us up our t-shirts. Super excited, did a great job.
We'll put his Instagram in the bio too, so you guys can hit him up.
So please hit that like button and that subscribe button, and more videos will be coming your way. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, it's DriftTheNorth. We're back.
What's going on, guys? It's been a while. Brandon.
It's Nissan Newman and Beamer Boy over here.
Do that shit.
Right over there, hiding her face. This is our social media expert right here.
Squatting up. Yo, our social media person, bro. She's our team. She's the person on our back.
Shout out.
Literally, if you guys need any problems or you guys need to DM us on Instagram, you're talking to her.
And trust me, she's feisty.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.